Here is your cleaned text-to-speech optimized version. You might be wondering why Claude Code specifically. There are other AI coding tools available, such as Cursor, GitHub, Copilot, Anti-Gravity, and others. In this lecture, I will give you an honest comparison so you can make informed decisions. You do not necessarily have to choose just one tool. Many developers use multiple tools together. Let us first understand the landscape. AI coding tools generally fall into three categories. The first category is IDE integrated extensions. These include GitHub, Copilot, and Amazon Q. The second category is command line tools. These include Claude Code and Ada. The third category is AI native integrated development environments. These include Cursor, Anti-Gravity, and Windsurf. Each category has different strengths. Let us start with GitHub Copilot, since it is the most widely used. Copilot is essentially an advanced autocomplete tool. It is very effective at suggesting the next lines of code based on context. It is fast, affordable, and integrates well with development environments such as Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, and Vim. However, Copilot is not an agent. It cannot reason across multiple files or execute complex multi-step tasks. It is a suggestion engine rather than a development partner. For quick code completion, it is excellent. For agentic workflows, it is not the right tool. Now let us talk about Cursor. Cursor is an AI-native development environment built on top of Visual Studio Code. It is designed specifically for AI-assisted development and includes features such as multi-file editing. Cursor offers a visual interface where you can see changes directly in your editor. It supports multiple AI models and has a relatively low learning curve. It also provides strong inline suggestions and simple context control. However, Cursor requires you to use its specific environment. Its agentic capabilities are more limited compared to Claude Code. It does not have native support for Model Context Protocol and offers fewer automation options. The key difference between Cursor and Claude Code is this. Cursor is your development environment. Claude Code works alongside your existing environment. With Cursor, you commit to a specific setup. With Claude Code, you can continue using your preferred tools, whether that is Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, Vim, or others. Let us compare the capabilities. Claude Code provides strong multi-file editing, native agentic workflows, native Model Context Protocol support, and built-in support for skills and automation. It works with any editor. Cursor provides good multi-file editing and a strong visual experience but has limited agentic capabilities and no native Model Context Protocol support. Copilot provides limited multi-file capabilities and does not support agentic workflows. The key takeaway is that Claude Code offers the strongest agentic capabilities and the highest level of flexibility. Now, let us discuss how professionals actually use these tools. Many developers use a hybrid approach. For example, Copilot can be used for quick inline suggestions, while Claude Code is used for complex multi-file work and automation. Another approach is to use Cursor for visual editing and Claude Code for terminal-based workflows and integrations. These tools complement each other rather than compete directly. Let us now look at what makes Claude Code unique. Claude Code supports integrations through Model Context Protocol. This allows it to interact with external systems such as databases, APIs, and productivity platforms directly from the terminal. It also supports custom skills. These are reusable commands that automate complex tasks. For example, a single command can fetch an issue, analyze it, implement changes, and prepare a pull request. These capabilities are not available natively in tools like Copilot. Let me give you a practical recommendation. Choose Claude Code if you want strong agentic capabilities, integration flexibility, terminal-based workflows, and the ability to use your existing development environment. Choose Cursor if you prefer a visual AI-first development environment and want an easier learning curve. Choose Copilot if your primary need is fast autocomplete, you are working within a strict budget, or you rely heavily on GitHub integration. Do not get caught up in comparing tools unnecessarily. The best developers focus on results. They use the right tool for the right task. What matters is the value you create, the problems you solve, and the quality of the work you deliver. In the next lecture, we will explore how non-technical users can effectively use Claude Code and benefit from agentic workflows. See you in the next lecture.